Prosecutors and the defense say the issue isn't did Guy Layton Sr. hit his daughter-in-law with his car, it's did he mean to. Prosecutors say the victim and her husband hit a rocky road in 2018 and separated, causing tension on the family property where the victim and defendant lived. In September 2022, a court order granted her their Stratford home with their 2 kids and French bulldog puppy. The defendant and his wife living in the in-law unit of that home. 2 months later, prosecutors say Layton Sr. hit the victim with his car 3 times as she was coming to get the dog from him.
This is a case where the defendant made a deliberate decision to try and end his life. And when he wasn't successful, he tried again and again.
What happened the night of November 14th, 2022 was a tragedy, but it was not a crime.
The defense says nothing about the accident was intentional and that Guy Sr. did not see her in the dark and was shocked when he saw her mangled body on the driveway.
He wishes that he would have seen her when he pulled out of the garage because he would have stopped. He is a good man. He is an honest man. He is not the kind of man who had it in him to brutally and viciously attempt to kill the mother of his grandchild.
And the victim had security cameras set up around her home. Prosecutors told the jury they will be watching that video during this trial, and the defense making a promise they will hear Layton's side of the story from him up on the stand. Testimony starts tomorrow at 10 a.m. Live in Dover, Kelly O'Brien, WMUR News 9.